Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to get free avatars on Roblox. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Roblox account, I'll see from here, and you need to go to Marketplace. So the first thing that you need to do from here is to go to the All section and click on Body, then click on Full Bodies. Hit on Apply. Actually, you can just choose anything you want even if it's not an avatar. So the next thing that you need to do is to click on Sort by Relevance, I'll see from here, and you need to scroll down and click on Price Low to High. Hit on Apply, and now from here you will see a lot of free avatars from here. So you can now just enter any avatar, like you can just click on this one, and now you can just purchase it for free. You won't need to pay anything for this avatar. Hit on Buy and click on Get It Now. I'll see I have completed the purchase without having any Robux on my account. So you can actually do the same for any other avatar. If we go back, I'll see from here. So you can actually do the same for any other avatar. You can just get any avatar from here for free without needing to pay any Robux. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.